Hello, welcome to my channel once more. Trust you're having a blissful day wherever you are. I'm so glad that you listen to this channel, you stream, and you also recommend for your friends. So, today I want us to talk about 5 common mistakes most entrepreneurs make while starting up their business. Yes, you agree with me that most mistakes are inevitable in business, but when you are properly strategizing on the course of the business, knowing the why, the reasons you start your business, you will do better and make better decisions to help your business grow even in striving times. So today I want us to look into these 5 common mistakes most entrepreneurs encounter just because they want to start a business. So number one is lack of planning. Yes, we have planners and we have dreamers. Planners make their dream come true. Why their plan fails, they still plan ahead to correct some mistakes. Believe me that when you ever start running a business without a blueprint, knowing your why is always a reason you will get stuck on the way because you will not know. Perhaps you went ahead to copy from what others are doing without strategically planning, consulting, and trying to find out the need your business needs to solve. You will see yourself struggling in business and you might crumble in a space of time. But when you plan well, you already know that you are going to succeed in that business. Never go ahead in any business without planning accurately. So, number two reason is a whole lot of entrepreneurs think money is everything in business. No, if that is your ideology, already you have started failing in business. Never put money first in your business. Never think money can get you everything you want in your business. A whole lot will say, I want to hire the best of experts to work on my business, and my business will be a global brand. But you will end up paying quacks who present themselves as professionals in your business, and you will suffer in your business. There is a place for money in business, but again, there is a place of proper understanding of the right people you need to put in your business so business will sell. If you are not taking recognizance of this, you will continue struggling in your business, and this is most of the mistakes many entrepreneurs make. Taking the money you have, a whole lot of them get seed funding and they don't know how to utilize it. They go ahead spending money frivolously. It is not acceptable. If you must do your business well, there must be a proper planning and a proper guide for you to make your expenditures and know where money falls in place in your business. Number three reason is entrepreneurs starting up want to do everything by themselves. Mind you, if you take hold of doing everything by yourself, you will break down. That is the true facts. Yes, some of the people that do business, they do the errand, they do the logistics, they do the management, they take the decisions alone. They don't have time to acknowledge others. You will never see them improve. You will never see them want others to come up to their standard. They just want to do it alone so they can enjoy the profit alone. It is so wrong to own 100% shares of a business because most likely that business might fail, and if it fails, you are going to go bankrupt. It is better you own 49% of a business and others have a share in your business than owning it 100% outrightly, because your failure is not too far. You will break down on the way. A situation where you don't acknowledge other people's strengths, a situation where you don't want others to grow in your space, you are going to break down and you might not survive the stress of a business. Taking decision alone in a business that serves the public is a dangerous thing to venture into. Make sure you find strength around people and never do everything by yourself. Number 4 reason here is a whole lot of entrepreneurs lack proper research of their audience and their market. Before you start up any business, make sure you know your market very well. Do not go and make every decision on your own. The findings should not be on your own. The findings should not be only in your circle. Go about it internationally. You can use your internet to Google about a place. You can find time to visit a place. You can also find time to do a proper survey to know people that will want your services or your product. You must take this as a priority to yourself. Do not just start up a business and feel like people will come. First of all, know the potential of what you want to sell to people. Is it a product? Is it a service? Make sure you know the potential before you can throw in all your weight to focus on that business. And the last one here is a whole lot of entrepreneurs hold this into their hearts. What is it? They want to present everything perfect to the public. If that is all you have in your mind, you have already started failing. If life is predictable, that means it ceases on being life. So waiting to come out all perfect so that the public will accept you shows that you have a low esteem about yourself. You don't believe in what you want to do. You don't believe in what you want to serve to the public. There is a reason why we have feedback in business and in products. Why? Because once you are able to start up a business, that shows that you are involved and ready for growth. As you grow in your business, you request for feedback, you request for people's opinion just to hear them out so that you can effect it in your business to serve your audience and your market well. So do not wait for everything to become perfect, 100% perfect before you show up. You need to show up now and always keep improving in that business if you really want to succeed. Don't want it to be all perfect. I believe with all these points, if you can avoid every of these 5 common mistakes, be it the act of not planning for your business, the act of thinking that money will be everything to sort out your business, or the lack of research, proper research of your audience and your market, and waiting for things to be perfect. Trust me, you are going to excel in that business and you are going to serve your audience and your market very well. You will see yourself having the strength to go all out for that business. And believe me, you will start being recognized as a global brand because you are evolving in your business. So go out there and do a proper planning, do and follow all these steps and run that business for a profit-oriented heart. Trust me, you're going to do well in that business. Thank you for listening to this video, and please also expect our video by next week, and do not forget to subscribe or share to your friends. Thank you so much.